Welcome back to Talks Without a Map. I'm Ridhima and with me is Rohan, the guy who still thinks success means owning the latest iPhone.
Not true
Isn't
at
it
all.
true?
No.
Oh,
Okay, maybe a little true, but at least I don't measure success by how many buy one get one free coupons I've collected.
excuse me. Coupons are success, okay? They are proof I outsmarted inflation.
ठीक है. See, that's the thing. For me, success feels like this endless race. Better phone, better job, better holidays also, not to mention. But your generation, you're like, थोड़ा पैसा, एक घर और peace of mind. बस, life set.
Exactly, because we knew where to hit pause. You people don't have a pause button, it seems. Only next level unlocked.
But don't you think that is a good thing? I mean, if people stopped at enough, say for example, Steve Jobs, he would have stopped making one computer and maybe chilled in some place where he was born. No iPhones, no MacBooks, just jobs at the beach.
Agreed. But Rohan, क्या है ना कि at some point you have to feel that you are successful and थोड़ा जो hustle है ना उसको थोड़ा कम करना पड़ेगा ना यार.
So basically, you are team contentment, I am team endless hustle.
Not exactly. I think success is personal. For some, it's endless growth. For others, I'm saying I have enough. The problem starts when society decides for you, oh, you're not successful unless you have some, say, Mercedes or BMWs or whatever.
I second that honestly. I mean, I think success has its own definition in every mouth. हर जन का कुछ अलग अलग होता है
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक वाइट विद जनरेशंस एंड विद द वर्ल्ड गोइंग थ्रू सो मेनी अप्स एंड डाउन्स ओवर द इयर्स सक्सेस का नजरिया लोगों का अलग अलग रहा है. आई स्टिल फील लाइक आई नो वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स ही रन्स अ स्मॉल कैफे इन द हिल्स.
Okay.
तो उसको कितने लोगों ने बोला अरे भाई एमबीए कर लो कैफे तो साइड में खोल लेना मतलब दैट साइड हसल वाला थिंग
हाँ.
दैट दे हैव सेड.
Exactly. People confuse their definition of success with yours. For me, success could be different. For you, success could be different.
Absolutely.
And why somebody has to say, अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है और ये क्या इसने लाइफ में क्या किया? It's nobody's business to decide that. If I feel this is where I want to stop working and I want to enjoy life, that's my definition of success. I feel कि बहुत कर लिया life में. What I need now is peace of mind and happiness.
So maybe real success is not endless or enough. It's just about choosing your enough.
Exactly. So, listeners, tell me your definition. And Rohan, what is your definition? I'm quite.
Baap re, definition and all.
Not definition. I mean, at
Yeah.
what stage of life you will feel that you are successful, and now it's only for you. I mean, life is only to be happy and enjoy.
When I'll stop thinking about this, that when that phase will come, I feel that is when I've achieved success.
Oh, super.
That's what I feel. Off late I've started feeling.
Huh?
क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से success is not just one final destination. Okay, ये पा लिया अब successful हो गए. Maybe कुछ सालों पहले लोगों का नजरिया वैसा था. Definition of success.
And what I feel is, sorry to cut you, but you know what I feel कि लोगों को लगता है कि जितना पैसा उतना successful.
Success, yeah. But what if I'm born only with a silver spoon? Then I'm successful. Does that mean?
No.
No, right? That's
Yeah.
exactly. So I feel like when I stop thinking about this thing कि मैं कब successful बनूंगा, but that doesn't mean that I have stopped working or hustling for my ambitions. I don't mean to say that. But when I achieve one path,
Okay.
एक path ऐसा मुझे मालूम है कि when I am on that path, I am achieving things that I worked hard for. I feel that is where your success journey begins. You don't, as I said, you don't actually have like a final destination called success. कि ये पा लिया. Like video games में you have to fetch something ultimately. ऐसा नहीं होता. There is always a path that finally you get into. You find that path, and that is where मेहनत का फल मिलने लग जाता है, and that is success for me. And like I said, if you have to talk about definition, then when I'll stop thinking about that, because when I stop thinking, that means that I have already come there right now.
But don't you think success is peace of mind? Because everything boils down to peace of mind and happiness, right? So when you get something and if you can sleep peacefully, that could be sucks, because whatever we are working for or whatever we get, and when we are happy, and it's not only just happiness, we have to have that peace of mind. Like तुम शांत सो सकते हो, that could be
I completely agree. That's the thing, right? So when I will be on that path is when I will sleep peacefully.
yeah.
Is when I will not think about, oh, ये खर्चा करना है. Sometimes your kharcha might be a little more, but that is for your betterment, or it is
Right.
for your day-to-day life. Maybe till yesterday you used to spend 10 rupees on something. Today your standard of living or your quality of
Gone
life is
up.
improved, so you're going to spend 15 rupees on that. तो मुझे ये जहन में नहीं आना चाहिए, oh shit, 15 rupees, 5 रुपए ज़्यादा. No. Peace of mind again. I can afford 15 rupees and that is my quality of life. I've accepted, and I have accepted with grace. कि कल तक 10 था, आज 15 है. I can sleep peacefully. I'm not having conflicts with
I
anyone,
spend so much, so I
with
shouldn't
self.
guilty
Yeah,
that it has to be like, even if you are spending so much, you shouldn't feel guilty about
perfect.
spending, right?
Guilty. I should not have conflicts with anyone, not just my own self, about insecurities, about मैंने कुछ बोला, उसने कुछ बोला. When I am on that path of success, I am already satisfied within. I know that मेरे मेहनत का फल मुझे अब मिल रहा है. So I'm content, like you said. I have peace of mind. So conflicts भी कम होते हैं. So your peace of mind also goes up, no, gradually. I know some people who think that they are successful now. मतलब सब पा लिया, and there's a mentality. I don't know if it's worldwide or it's an Indian mentality, but अगर मैंने बहुत साल काम किया है in a particular profession, like I say I'm experienced and all, that also people count as successful, although they haven't really done anything significant in life. So they say, Arey, I am 50 now, I'm 40 now, so I am successful and I don't need to do anything more. ये जो है ना कि full stop.
But that's where the growth also stops,
Exactly
right?
my point.
Yeah.
So they are associating age and experience with success over here.
Yeah.
Which I don't think is quite
Not
true
related,
or related,
yeah.
especially
Yeah.
not in today's day and age.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah, because having worked in now our industry, I don't feel I'm successful yet.
Okay.
Though I have done prestigious projects and all, but still, I feel that I should get better. I have to get better projects. I feel restless at night sometimes, that I feel, अभी तक बहुत कुछ achieve करना है, बहुत कुछ achieve करना है. Maybe this podcasting thing or my YouTube journey. I feel that I'm nowhere still.
But are you comparing yourself to someone over here?
Not really.
But do you think in your journey of success, okay, 2 questions over here. First of all, do you at least feel that you're on the path of success?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Chalo, half battle is done over here. And my second question to you was, do you always think when we compare ourselves to someone in the success journey, it's always a negative thing?
No.
Not right?
No.
I mean,
because it can make you.
it can motivate you.
That is your bar. Okay, and you have to raise your bar about that.
Like, let's say there is Ridhima, and then there is an XYZ other woman who is
Okay.
doing the similar job as you are, and she's getting more success in whatever she's doing. You think you're going to upscale your bar like that woman, or or that level you want to be achieved? Like what that XYZ woman is doing, I also want to do the same thing?
No,
Or the level
no,
which
the
she has
level,
achieved, or
the
maybe a
level.
little more also.
More, definitely more.
Yeah,
But I don't want to, honestly speaking, I don't want to compare myself with anyone.
perfect.
It has to be my peace of mind,
Yeah.
and I have to be convinced कि हाँ मैंने ये achieve कर लिया
कर
है.
लिया है.
Yeah.
I think who compare themselves with each other or with someone else have a very weak mindset.
Yes.
I mean, it may not be their fault per se, but that's a very weak mindset. Because we forget that we have our own individual identity. And everyone has a very, very holistic journey
Yeah.
in life, in personal and
I
professional
believe
life.
that everyone is a celebrity in their own way. That's what
Yeah,
I
true.
believe in. Like, you know.
And if when you start reflecting your pure own self, what God, the way he has created, he or she has created you, that's when you start feeling, oh, I'm not no less than a celebrity.
Yeah.
I just need to work and hone the skills that God has given me.
Perfect.
That's
Right.
so that's in your path of success. You
Yes,
need to.
yes.
तो मुझे आजकल ऐसे लगने लग गया है, because I won't say I used to compare myself, but I used to feel, अरे if he can do it, then why can't I do
हाँ.
it? If she can do it, then why can't I do
हाँ.
it? But now I've started to become more confident on my own laurels
Yeah.
and what I can do. You need to work hard for that. You need to risk things for that. You need to see failures for that. You need to
Yeah.
see some unfortunate events for that. But they all bring you to a point where you start appreciating your own identity. And now you're on that path of success where you know that now I can do what I am meant to do.
Huh.
That way.
Perfectly. And as you said rightly, I have learned from my mistakes, and those mistakes have made me a better person, be it in profession or be it in my personal life. Definitely, I have learned from my mistakes. When I look back, I feel that I've done a good job. So that is where, I feel, I'm
Any
successful.
examples you can do?
Like, I lost my husband at a very young age, and then I have brought up my kids. And when I look at them, I feel I've done a good job. This was like unexpected. This event was an unexpected.
And you were younger.
Yeah, I was much younger. So I really didn't know how the life is going to go about.
I know.
And when I look at them, and it was nothing was planned. Okay, that this is the way I'm going to bring up my children or whatever. So one day at a time, and I could learn many things, and that's how I have brought up my children. I have changed my career. At age 40, I changed my career. That's the biggest risk I took that time. But ठीक है, वहाँ से यहाँ तक की journey was good. So that way, I feel that I'm quite successful. But only thing is, the contentment.
But bravo for what you did.
Thanks.
But do you think this scenario that you just explained also brings us to a point that success is also in personal life?
Of course.
मतलब सिर्फ पैसा, glamour, fame, name और सब मुझे जानते हैं and मेरा set हो गया is not just success.
But यहाँ पे सोसाइटी में सक्सेस उसको बोलते हैं, it's measured in money. That's what I feel. Because people don't say कि अरे this person is a good human being.
Thank God this society has you and me. we don't judge people by money. I think success is also when you visit someone's house and you see how happy they are.
Yes.
How well communicated they are with each other, and they are having good food on their plate, and this is also success. How well they are traveling, how well they are read, how well they are aware of things and happening things around them. बस वो ऐसे किसी छोटे से कुएं में नहीं बैठे हुए हैं.
हाँ. So that's what I feel whatever you're doing, it boils down to happiness and peace of mind.
True.
Over the period, I have learned कि अभी देखो, if I buy a phone, what am I buying it for? ठीक है, मेरा काम का एक चीज़ अलग है, but I feel happy. If I buy a dress, I feel happy. So everything boils down to happiness.
Clothes से happiness मुझे मिलता है.
हाँ.
Phone से I have not experienced that.
You are an odd kid.
I'll tell you what. I have an iPhone since 2021.
Huh.
The primary reason was recordings and my shoots, because iPhone has a better quality for both.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I bought an iPhone.
But OnePlus में भी है, but iPhone is status symbol भी है ना.
But no, I'll tell you, because in our profession, COVID से पहले भी iPhone recordings were acceptable. So for corrections, or now whenever I travel out abroad, I can send my recordings via iPhone. They're accepted.
Yeah.
That was one reason why I bought. तो अभी तक मुझे इतनी खुशी, you know what? किसमें है वो dialogue that इतने, हाँ, in Partner. You watched that film, in Partner?
गोविंदा वाला.
Yeah. In that there's a dialogue. इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक, तो वो अभी तक फोन से नहीं खुशी शायद मिल सकती है in some time. I've seen my mom being very happy when she bought
iPhone.
She doesn't have an iPhone. She bought BlackBerry back in the day. So she was flaunting, and it had a pink cover.
Oh.
So, and pink is her favorite color. So that was success for her at that time. Yeah.
But I must say that you're a very sorted kid. A man, but for me you are a kid.
You know, this compliment is also important for me, because now it cements the fact that I am on the path of success, because I feel content.
Yeah.
I feel content and I, like you said, that I'm sorted. So that all comes in that only. तो मुझे अब अच्छा लगता है कि okay, I'm going on the right path because I am happy both professionally and personally in my life. Yeah, that's how it is. Success is also in marriage, we see.
Yeah.
Successful marriages, not unsuccessful
Yeah.
marriages.
Yeah.
So success is ubiquitous, it's everywhere, literally, and you choose what is success for you. I will choose what is
Yeah.
success
It's
for me.
nobody else's
Fat loss,
business.
muscle gain,
Yeah.
ये सब चीजें भी success है.
Yeah.
It took me 10 years to get into a physique that I thought I probably I could get. I was a very, very thin guy earlier. And today if you see me healthy, it's 10 to 12 years of learning, falling down and not getting the desired physique or whatever you want to say. And today I feel very proud. I may not be like a ripped guy,
हाँ.
but whatever I've tried to achieve with my diet and my exercise, it's that success path took me a lot of efforts and consultations and rona dona sab kuch.
हाँ.
And today I feel very happy with what I'm doing.
हाँ.
So,
I feel success is also like, you know, when you don't get affected by other people's opinion.
so true.
You know?
So true.
And
so true.
it took me so many years. अभी भी होता है. I'm not denying कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता. अभी भी थोड़ा होता है. But you know what I was and what I am now, उसमें काफ़ी difference हो गया है.
True.
Because
And
you know I felt कि क्यों लोगों का कहना क्यों मानना है.
you know the people who achieve these materialistic things
हाँ,
or whatever,
हाँ.
and they say that they're successful, they will be affected by what you just right now said, that लोग कुछ कहेंगे या criticize करेंगे, because these people are greedy.
Yeah.
तो this shows that they have greed in them.
Yeah.
तो वो भी अच्छा नहीं होता ना,
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
success का negative side हो गया. When they want more and more
Yeah.
and more and more, that is.
And you know how I learned this? From my kids.
Oh.
And now my
Ritvik
son
and Rashnika.
Ritvik,
Yeah.
Now Ritvik is almost
We
your
never mentioned
age.
their names, you know. We
Yeah.
always keep
No,
mentioning
because
them.
people don't know, you know, so that's why.
We should. Yeah.
So Ritvik, my son, is almost as old as you.
Yeah.
And he also tells me like, Mama, it's okay. Don't think about other people. Rashnika, she's Gen Z.
Huh.
So her
Is she listening
opinions
to us right
are
now here?
possibly, and her opinions are far more stronger. I mean, her opinions like, you know, affect me and Ritvik also, because Ritvik and her like Rashnika, they are generation
apart.
one
Yeah,
generation
yeah.
apart, but
Yeah.
you know, thinking में बहुत फर्क है.
फर्क है, yeah.
And I learned lot of things from them.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm learning from you also.
Oh, so it's not just about the iPhone, how you mentioned earlier.
That I was teasing, yeah.
Okay, so that's about it. Success is, as we mentioned, a very relative term. हर कोई उसे अलग अलग डेफिनेशन से ले सकता है. तो आप देख लेना आपके लिए सक्सेस क्या होता है, पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ दोनों में. And you can also mention some people whom you think are really successful in your life. So let us know.
For us, success is talks without a map.